Hello guys, I am Ankit. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Maximize sum of array after k negations. So given array, we have an integer k and modify the array in the following way. So choose any index and replace the element at that index with its negation. So you should apply this process exactly k times and you may choose the same index multiple times. So what they're given is they're given an array and we have to maximize the sum of the array by doing k negation operations. Negation means any number if it is given negate it. So if it is 1 it will become minus 1, if it is minus 2 it will become negation of minus 2 will be 2. So you have to perform such negations k times. And one more thing they have told is you can choose the same element multiple times to do the negation, same index, and return the largest possible sum of the array. This is what the major thing which we need to do. So how do we solve? So let's say if the array is minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 2, comma 3. Okay, and k equal to 2 is given. So this is any array, whatever they give, let's sort that array. So once you sort the array, let's say this array is in randomized order, the elements in the array. So once you sort it, this will be in the increasing order, right? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 2, comma 3. And k equal to, how do we get the maximum sum? So why are we doing sorting is we have to find the smallest negative number. No? So if you negate that, that will be the largest positive number. So that's why we sort the array. So in the beginning, we can start if k equal to 2 and the element in this position is negative, make it positive. So k will be decremented by 1 now. One operation negation. Next, move ahead. Again, check whether this is negative. Yes. And k is greater than 0 again. So make it positive. K will become 0 now. Move ahead. So when you come here, k is not greater than 0. Done. Two negation operation you could and you maximize the sum here. So maximize sum in the 3 plus 2, 5, 10. 10 minus 3 will be 7. So if you do negation of instead of plus, so if you do plus 1, that will not sum up the highest sum, right? Because as you know, when you do negation of minus 3 to 3, that will be higher than minus 1 to 1. So 3 will be greater than 1. So you will negate the smallest negative number that will get to the largest positive number. So first thing is until k greater than 0 and I is less than the length. If array of I is less than 0, just make it positive and k will be decremented. This is in case. What if the same example it's given? So let's say minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's it. Enough. Okay. Here again, one more minus 2 is there. So let me just write that. So minus 2 and here it is minus 3. So you have the pointer here. Let's say k equal to 7 is given. Okay, k equal to 7. So as I said before earlier, same thing we have to apply here. So check this. K is greater than 7 and my pointer is pointing here. It is negative. So since this is negative, what you do? Make it positive and decrement the value. Again move ahead. Negative greater than 0. Not greater than 7 as I said before I think. So greater than 0 it should be. Make it positive. Again decrement. This also negative, so make it positive and decrement. Again you move ahead. This is also negative, make it positive and decrement. Again move ahead. So in this case, do we need to negate this? No, because 2 is greater than minus 2. Don't negate it. So do this negation operation only if this condition satisfies. Also, array of I, whatever element is present, that should be less than 0. If it is greater than 0, just break from the loop. You don't perform the loop, though the k is greater than 3. So now we stop the loop here. So once you stop the loop here, how do you proceed with the question? Now we have 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and k equal to 3 now, left over. We have to perform 3 negation operations on which we will have to do. Again, the smallest possible number if you do. Like instead of in the entire array, if you make and one condition they told is you can choose the same index multiple times. So let's take this one only. So once you do the negation of this will become minus 1. So k with 3 to 2 it is. Again minus 1 here. Again do the negation on the same element. It will become 1. So k will become 1 now. So only one negation operation left. We'll do the smallest element, that is also again minus 1. So the resultant array will be 3, 2, 2, minus 1, 2, comma 3. But how do you get this smallest element? For that again sort the array. So once you get with this, again sort the array means 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, comma 3 you have, right? So this beginning array element you have to perform the k, negation operation k times, leftover k times. But is it necessary to do the negation minus 1 to plus 1 again minus 1? No, 3 times not required, because if k equal to 2 means, if k equal to 2 it will become minus 1, that time k will become 1, again 1 over left, k will become 1 again, so 1 is 0. So if it is even number of times, it will return to the same number. If it is odd number of times, then it will become minus 1. So check if k is one sort array, check if k modulus 2 is equal to 1. If that is the case, it will negate it, otherwise don't touch it, just return the array itself. So yeah, at the end find the sum by running the loop. So we will implement the logic. Okay, it should be size, it's an array. Making same mistake from all the same videos, previous videos also. So now what we have to do? Okay, run through the array. While k should be greater than 0 and I, let's define I equal to 0, less than n. So if nums of I, whatever you have that is less than 0 means, then nums of I will be equal to negation of nums of I. And once you do the negation, k should be decremented. If you found any positive element number, in this case we found, right, this case, and k is still greater than 0, just break the loop, don't do anything. So break the loop, else means if nums of I is greater or equal to 0, break the loop. So after performing this, okay, before performing this also you have to do the arrays dot sort. So sort of arrays dot sort we use in Java. Here sort of nums dot begin, comma nums dot. Okay, now once again you have to sort after the negation, some number negation numbers we convert into positive, because all these numbers minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1 all have become positive, right? So this should be again sorted to get the smallest number, so that we get the maximum sum. So once you sort this, check if k modulus 2 equal to 1. If that is the case, then nums of 0 will be equal to minus of nums of 0. And anything else? No. Now run the loop. Sum plus equals to. So I haven't defined the sum. Now return sum. Yeah. We will run this now. Yes. So for Java also same logic. Here we use arrays.sort function, nothing else. So we will submit this. Successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with other video next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.